Leaving my baby here. First time I've left my car anywhere. I don't know. It hurts. It hurts. I'll be picking it up in 2 days. So it'll be okay. And I trust Kinetic. They're good peeps. All right. Well, let's get back to work. Gato. Hey, come here. I don't have no data. That SR table. It's an SR table. Ciao. And a cat. What are you doing? Kitty left a dick pic. I swear I didn't do that. The cat did it. It was you. Why you do that, kitty?
I reorganized these to overlay them, but
yeah,
354 that was the initial deal, and then went up to 378 and 383.
Nice.
There was another maybe like 390. I let it cool off.
Yeah.
That hit right when the nitrous turned on.
So purging the line.
We had air in the fuel line.
Yeah. You got an estimate on where we're gonna end up like the last time we did a video?
I don't know, let's see, man. Looking healthy so far.
We're pretty close on the last one.
Yeah.
Think we'll hit that 500?
I hope so.
Yeah.
We'll try.
Foot pounds,
You got more nitrous jets?
Pretty good looking.
Yeah.
Is that the spin, the big dip? So you could kind of curve that one up a little bit, and yeah. See ya. Look at that, woot! Love the silver. Boom. Hey, come here, let me see this. Grease ball. You grease ball.